Since my reassignment to this ministry, we have made significant progress in containing banditry and livestock theft across the North Rift and Upper Eastern. Through Operation Maliza Uhalifu, our security agencies have successfully silenced the guns in a number of parts of Kerio Valley and neighboring counties. Trading centers have reopened, children are back to school, and communities that once lived in fear are coexisting peacefully. The establishment of the second Operation Maliza Uhalifu Command in Crimon in Laikipia County will further enhance the fight against banditry, cattle rustling, and illegal arms movement in Samburu, Baringo, and Laikipia counties. These gains were realized through intelligence-led targeted operations and close coordination among security agencies. Building on this development, we have entered a new phase focused on rehabilitation. In July 2025, I extended an olive branch for voluntary surrender of illegal firearms, leading to the recovery of 600 weapons and the surrender of several notorious bandits. The minister has also initiated empowerment and reintegration program for the reformed bandits, offering education, skills training, and alternative livelihoods to them. This approach, coupled with development projects spearheaded by the government of President William Ruto, is transforming the North Rift and ensuring we are on the path to lasting peace and prosperity. In the Upper Eastern, the northern part of the Meru County, especially Gembe North, Mutwati, Gembe Central, Tigania East, Tigania West, Buru East, and Buru West sub-counties, they have a long-time experience. They have had a long-time experiences of banditry and cattle rustling. Following the deployment of additional security personnel and equipment in the last 2 years, the challenges have been largely contained, except of a few challenges here and there. To sustain the gains and eliminate threats in the long term, we are enhancing the role of National Police Reserve, constructing security roads, and engaging communities for better management of grazing and water rights.